Hello everyone, this is Debbie from Absen. Welcome to IBC. So I'm now standing at Absen stand and showing you one of our flagship products, our Saturn series. Yes, in front of me this is Saturn 2.6. And Saturn platform is a platform. We have 3 pixel pitches. We have 1.9 millimeter with flip chip IMD and 2.6 millimeter and 3.9 millimeter. So this platform is designed for corporate events, for theater use, for indoor touring use. And we have several unique points of this product. First of all, this is a super lightweight product. We have 2 sizes of the product. One is 1/2 by 1/2 meters, and which is 5.5 kilos per panel. And we have 1 meter by 1/2 meter, and which is 9.5 kilos per panel. So it's much lighter than the previous panels. And also, secondly, it's very robust. So not only lightweight, but also robust. So this product, we have, as you can see, the design, and we have 6 joining points that makes the product very strong when we do stacking and when we do hanging. So, and this product, we have several options for your choice. Not only flat panels, but also flex, as well as cubes. So as you can see, on the flex panel, we have 2 rings. We call it Saturn ring. And then you can do the installation of concave 30 degrees and convex 30 degrees. And the big panels can be connected together with the flex as well as the cube, so as to make your stage as flexible as possible. Beside me, as you can see, the Saturn curve, okay, is very flat, and you don't see any lines between the panels, and it will bring you a very flat curve, very smooth. Speaking about Saturn series, it's a product that brings really good blackness, and the contrast rate is really good when you compare with any other products in the market. So it brings you extraordinary image quality to your corporate events and other events. From RIC to IBC, and in Europe and UK, we've already sold several thousands of square meters of this product, especially Saturn 2.6. And very welcome every of you to check Absen Saturn series and come to Absen GmbH showroom to have a look. And thank you everybody for watching, and see you soon.